Okay, so you put your borrower defense application in July 15, 2022. So that makes you a post-class member in the Sweet versus McMahon settlement. Now, they actually covered this in the webinar. I'm not sure how much you have been able to keep up with the information with the settlement. But as far as your application reflecting that's still in review or even a pending status, that's absolutely fine. Because technically, when we think about it, if you are one of the members in the settlement, a post-class member in the settlement, and the Department of Education failed to make that decision, I mean, technically they haven't reviewed it, So if you were a borrower or a member in the settlement and you attended one of those schools labeled as Exhibit C, that means that the Department of Education, they had until January 28th to make a decision, to provide you with a decision on your application. If they failed to do so, that means you're entitled to full settlement relief and also a refund of those payments you made under those direct loans for that school that is the basis of your claim. Now, if you did not attend one of those Exhibit C schools, then that means they have until April 15th to make a decision on your application. If they fail to do so, again, you'll be entitled to the same things. That letter of your entitlement, if you are an Exhibit C school, that should be out to you by the 29th of March under the terms. They should have that. The Department of Education should have that letter out to you by the 29th of March. Just make sure you stay connected to PPSL so that way you can get all the most up-to-date information about the settlement and, things to come. We know the Department of Education, they filed that notice of appeal, but we'll see what happens in court. But as things stand right now, because they missed that date, and if you attended one of those Exhibit C schools, then you're entitled to that relief. All right, I hope that helps.